So you just check it answers by any method. So the question is, B plus C, C B, C C plus A B A plus B, determinant is equal to dash. Option A 2ABC, option B 4ABC, option C ABC, option D 1 by ABC. So you have to tell that what is the answer for this. The determinant of this is which. So shortcut method you can use for JEE. So if you want to learn advanced level, I will share you one worksheet. Okay, 58 pages worksheet I will share you. If you want to prepare for advanced level, I will teach all advanced level, but you have to practice, right? Mains and advanced. So what is the answer you are getting? What you are going to substitute? A equal to B equal to C. What you are substituting? All 1. No, don't substitute 1 1, because when you get 1 1, not 1 2 3, you substitute 1 2. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3. Or you want method? What is the method you are doing? See, if you are doing by method wise, I can write as C1 is equal to C1 minus C1 C2 plus C3 I can use. If I do method wise, I have to do like this. Shortcut method already you know, but traditional method C1 implies C1 minus C2. Why here? B plus C, both are there. Connection is there. You can take R1 even also. Everything is okay, fine. So C1 I can write here 0. Here I can write this one how much? Can anybody tell me? What are you getting? Going to get here? C1 minus C2 plus C3, 0 you got. Here C plus, what you get here? C minus of C plus 2A. That is C cancel, 2A you will get, minus 2A. If you do this one, B minus A minus B, minus cancel, minus 2B you get. Here then you get as C plus A B, A plus B you are going to get. Okay. Next what you have to get, you can use, this is, you can make it 0. With this help, you can make it 0. Right? You can make it 0, right? So what operation you want to apply? Tell me now, which operation if you apply, it will be useful. Getting problem? See this last one is proper, correct? I think you just see this one, B, let me see one's question. B minus, you are getting it, B minus A minus B. Okay, 2A you get. You will get here 2A, right? If you do here, this is cancel, minus A minus 2A. So from here, minus 2A you can take out common, minus 2A take out common. So 0, 1, 1, C, B, C plus A plus B you get. After that you can make it, this is 0. What you can do here, R2 implies R2 minus R3. You can use this. So R2 implies, I can write as R2 minus R3 can I use? So what I am going to get here, minus 2A This is you get 0 CB, and here R2 is this minus R3. This will be 0. This will be 0. C plus A minus A. C I get. A minus this A cancel, minus B I will get, and you get a 1A plus B. And then just simply you can do determinant. Open the determinant by along with the this one. So what I get here, 1 into minus BC, right? Minus BC, that is minus 2BC I will get. So minus into minus plus 4ABC. So B option you got. See, this is traditional method. If you are doing shortcut method, what you do? Shortcut में क्या करते हैं? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Put here. So if you put, what do you get? Tell me फटाफट. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3. See, what I will suggest you is prepare traditional method. Some questions, because at least board point of view questions you prepare. All questions not required. So board point of view in your textbook what is there, that you prepare this one. In exam, JEE okay, JEE this is okay. For boards also you should get 100% marks. So this is also some questions which I am telling you. So that are important questions only. I am explaining traditional method. Rest I am not explaining. Whatever I explain, that are traditional questions, are important for boards. So this is equal to, how much you are getting? 24. So 24. So you can substitute here options wise. So 4 into 1 into 2 into 3. This will give you 24. So this is right. Correct. So this is the question. Question is determinant of B plus C, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B, C is equal to dash. Options are given. So you can use whichever method you want. Option A, right. See, traditional method will give Turant result. Fast result. No. So shortcut. Shortcut will give fast results. A equal to, you substitute 1. B is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. Tell me, what is you are getting this much? No, tell me values. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, determine value? 18. So if you substitute here also, you should get 18. Right? So that is right. Traditional method, what to do? Traditional method is separate this. So what do you get here? B, C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B, C. I can separate this. Plus C, A, B, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, B, C. See here, this is okay, A, B, C, right? Cycling. A I can send this side here. I can shift, right? No, even I have to get something same. BCA, ABC. What's that? Here, CAB, ABC. We separate not by this, we separate middle because this is looking same. Suppose you can write as B plus C, C plus A plus B, and now here I write as A, B, C, A, B, C. I am separating the middle one. Plus I can write as what here? B plus C, C plus A plus B, and I can write here B, C, A A, B, C. Likewise, I can separate it. I can separate, na? Determinant formula you have. So ABC same column. So this will be 0. And only you need to do this one. So this one you can do it by how you can apply here. Just apply the operation that should be getting 0. Make it 1, 1, 1 combination like here. What to do? If I do addition of all these three, what I will get? 2A plus 2B plus 2C. Here what I get? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C will come out. So then it becomes easy. So we can do many methods here. See, it depends on you what you are approaching at that time. It's not like that what I am, right? Even this one also you can break one more time. Even this one also you can break one more time if you wish. Already this value you know, you can do it. Otherwise what I want to tell you is apply R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. See how you are getting answer is important. Or you are separating, then see that anything is same. B, C, A. Yeah. Separate works very well. So if you separate still again, I get as B, C, A. If I separate B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C plus. Okay. What I get here next? C, A, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, C. And this value already you know 0. Why? These are two are identical. Don't cancel like this in exam. Board mein aise cancel nahi karna hai. You should write like this. In board you are writing what you have to write. That column 1, column 2 are identical. So determinant is 0. You should write like that. And here this is cyclic. Already we have done in the beginning only I explained. Cyclic determinant. What is you get answer? Cyclic determinant already I explained. Yesterday lecture. Over. These are the next questions. These are NCERT questions, important questions. JEE also they ask like these questions. So in easy method you can substitute. If you want to check option wise, easy method A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. This is the easy method to get JEE. Traditional method you have to solve now. So I will give you homework, you try. R1 plus R2 plus R3 you try. Take common something. See here, if you are not getting anything, you do like this also. You can multiply inside. Okay, you can multiply. After that you can divide. So you want to make it proper, everything same. Suppose if I multiply, suppose here A, suppose A square into A square, like I multiplied. Then after I will take out from column. Are you getting it? I multiply by row wise, but I will take common from column wise. Then it will become easy. Are you getting it? Understood what I said? If your JEE method means okay, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, substitute there. You will get the options also matches, you will get the answer. Traditional wise is that. For this one, R1 plus R2 plus R3 you use, you will get. Okay. If you want, I will write the operations what to do. Should I write the operations? Should I write the operations? See, if you want to get this one, multiply this with A. So if you want to get this one, multiply this row with A, multiply this row with B, multiply this row with C. Why I am telling like this? If you multiply A, B, C for row, but I am not writing each time steps, right? Should I write the step? I will tell you, see here. How we have to write is stepwise. When you are multiplying, you should write like this. What you have to write? A into R1. apply A into R1, B into R2, C into R3. Then what I get here? A square plus A square B, A square C. AB square, B square plus B square C. B cube plus B, okay. I wrote anything here also A cube plus A, right? Right? Now here AC square, BC square, C cube plus C. Like this you can write. And then after you can take A common from here. No? So common time you can directly write common, no problem. You can write here in boards, you can write taking common from column 1A, taking B from like column 1. Why I did like this? You can take A common from this. Okay. If you take common A from here, what I get here? If A is coming out, what I will get here? A square plus 1, B square, C square. If I take B common from here, A square, B square plus 1, C square I will get. If I take C common from this, so you are going to get outside ABC. And from here what you get here? A square, B square, C square plus 1. You get like this. So from this here, you make it here, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, determinant open over. Okay, it's a difficult question, but this is the way to do it. What is the easy way here? Subtract, what to do here? Apply the operation, this minus this and this minus this. You can apply this, either you can apply any two systems you can apply. So you get zeros, so determinant will become easy, you can apply determinant. Understand? Should I explain? Sure, na? So when you are applying here, what you write here? A, B, C. We write here A, B, C. Okay. I can write here like, if I am writing here, C2 implies C2 minus C3. C1 implies C1 minus C3. Okay. That's okay. Right? C2 implies C2 minus C3. C1 implies C1 minus C3. So what I get here? This is equal to A, B, C. So C1, C3 going to change. C1 minus A square gone. So what I get here? 1 I will get. I will get 1. Here I will get 1. So C1 minus C3 I am doing. B square minus B square, 0. C square minus C square cancel, minus 1 I will get. देखो इतना easy हो गया. Next after that what I can write as C2 minus C3, A square minus A square, 0. B square minus B square, 0. Minus 1. Right? Plus 1. C square minus C square cancel, minus 1. Finally what is left here? A square, B square, C square plus 1. See here, however, you made it 2 zeros, so directly you can open it. Already you made it 2 zeros, no? So this is easy to open it. If still you want to do, then you can apply this operation. So this will become 0. And then open out. Even you can directly open now. You can directly open, you will get the answer. So likewise you have to check every time. Understand? Right. But easiest way is the shortcut method is easy. JEE point of view, no problem. For only board's point of view, if you want to practice, take the textbook questions. Example questions will be there, many things in NCERT also, your boards also you will be having in many questions. Just practice them for board's purpose. For JEE purpose, no need to practice this. Just substituting A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3 over. Done.